Curiosity Kid back, and today we're going to be making a mini air conditioner. So let's get started. So the main things you'll need is a fan and a box of some sort, but it has to be plastic and waterproof. So I've got a computer, I think it's a computer fan. I was given these by my uncle. Those are the specifications. I've got a few other ones here, but yeah, this one I'm gonna use. And I do have another, just a computer fan here. So you can use this too, and this only takes 5 volts. So if you just wanted to use a power bank, then you could use one of these. But this puts out a little bit more air. Here, I'll show you. Here's the power bank. See, you could just, you don't need. So, hopefully you can see that. So it's sucking. So yeah, and then I'll show you the other one here. You'll just get more airflow. That's all. Okay, so. And then for, I've just got a plug from a printer, but because this cord, this is 22 volts, this is supposed to be 12 volts. So it does get a bit warm, but it does put out a little bit more. So you can see the difference there. Yeah, so that's that. So let's get started here. So you just need this and this, and then if you have a 3D printer, I might do this eventually, but I haven't yet. Put a little like duct or something, but yeah. So you want to solder your connector on, or attach like a USB if you're going to be using like a 5 volt. Here's the, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, this one's 12 volt too. But yeah. So, and then you don't need these, but I'm gonna, to make it stronger, I'm gonna put screws in and bolt it down like that. So yeah. I'm gonna mark this out. Cut it out. I'm gonna go get like a carpet knife, because this plastic, my knives aren't sharp enough for this. So I'll be right back. Okay. So I got, it's not a carpet knife, but it'll work. Okay, this is gonna take a while, so we're just gonna cut it here and come back when I'm done. Okay, so I melted it out. Yeah, you could do that with the soldering iron too, but do that outside because it'll be smoky. So that. See? Perfect. I could have done it on the inside too. That probably would have been a better idea. Take like it going like this and then mark it out everything. But anyway, it's done. So now you're gonna want to figure out where you want your cord to go. Okay, so it'll go on like that, and then now we just have to drill some holes, or cut some holes maybe, and then actually so now it seems to be dry. Let's see what happens if we just plug it in. This kind of hovers. Hovercraft. But anyway, let's do this. This stuff out of the way. Okay. Now we've got to make a hole right around here. Let's wonder how big of a hole we should do. Let's use this as a guide. See, now this is where a duct would help, because then you'll glue, because you could put it here, but if you fill this, because how it's gonna work, I should have said this in the beginning, but how it's going to work is there's going to be ice cubes in here, and then the air is going to blow onto the ice cubes and then come back out. So yeah, if you put it here, the water could leak out and it's just not as good. So go here. Okay, so there, I put a hole. Now let's see how much air it will blow. So it blows a cork up like that. you took a... I wonder if I have a ping pong ball. If I had a ping pong ball, it'd probably float. But that's too heavy, but air's a little bit more concentrated. That's fun. Well, anyway, so let's get some ice. I'll get a thermometer and we'll try it out. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so yeah, I've got a thermometer here. That's the temperature in Celsius. It's about 22 degrees right now in room temperature. So we're just going to try it with it blowing. See what that does without any ice. Okay, so that didn't do anything. Let's fill it with some ice cubes. Here's okay, there. Set this aside. Now, so it's 24.5 degrees right now, around. I've been touching it with my hands, so the probe with my hands, so it'll probably be a little bit warmer than it actually is, but it's going down. Okay, well, I mean, didn't drop it a whole lot, but if you're in like 30-degree weather, 19 degrees is going to be pretty good. Here's what the ice cubes look like after that much of running. Not too bad, but yeah, we'll try it one more time with all of the ice cubes that I have right now. Oh, this one doesn't want to come out. There we go. And it's not gonna like cool a room. It'll be like for you to sit by, blow on your face, right? So. And if you sprinkle salt on it, it'll make it cool much more. Way more. Because, actually I don't know exactly why, but the salt makes it cool down somehow. But it melts it faster too. So, let's try this now. Well, that's about it. So it got down to 17.5 degrees Celsius. I don't know exactly what that is in Fahrenheit, but yeah. So if you add more ice, and maybe if the hole was here, it might, because then it might go across, like it has to go through instead of just kind of around. I don't know, experiment with it, see what you come up with. Add salt. You could probably decrease it a few more degrees, but 17 degrees is going to be pretty good.